Hello guys, so today I'm doing a straight crochet hairstyle with some side braids. All right, so with that said, let's go straight in. So first thing first, I'm going to start by working on the braid pattern. So right now I'm just going to head to section of the hair for the hairstyle. So right here, the front, I separated it into 3 sections for the hairstyle I'm going for today. Next step now is to work on the braid pattern. Okay, so here is the braid pattern for the crochet braid. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm going ahead to prep the braiding hair. So today's video, I'm using 1 pack of X-pression braiding hair, and I'm going to be cutting it into 4 equal size. Equal length. So after cutting the hair, I'm going in to pull on the ends to help thin at the ends of the hair, and it also helps to give it extra length. So now I'm going to be working on the side braids, and for the braiding hair, I'm going to be separating the hair into tiny little pieces because I'm not using the braiding hair for length, neither am I using it for volume. So I'm only adding braiding hair to help strengthen the braid, to help strengthen the root of the braid and the body of the braid, so that when I crochet the hair, it will stay put. Okay, so I'm just going ahead to start with my own natural hair. I'm doing a feeding braid, so I'm starting with my own natural hair first before going in to add in the braiding hair. So I braid the hair a little bit past where my natural hair ends. Then I tie knot to secure the braid in place. So I braid the hair a little bit past where my natural hair ends. Then I tie a knot to secure the braid in place. So I braid the hair a little bit past where my natural hair ends. Then I tie a knot to secure the braid in place. So I braid the hair a little bit past where my natural hair ends. Then I tie a knot to secure the braid in place. So I braid the hair a little bit past where my natural hair ends. Then I tie a knot to secure the braid in place. Okay, so I'm done with the feeding braid. So now I'm going to be working on the knotless braid. So for the knotless braid, I'm only doing 2 rows for the knotless braids. All right, so I'm done with the side braids and also the knotless braids. So now I'm going to be crocheting the hair. Okay, so now that I'm done crocheting the hair, the next step now, I'm going to be reducing the volume on the crochet braid. So first I'm going in with a hair cream and I'm going ahead to apply that on the hair. So after that, I'm going to go in with a hot comb to comb through the hair to help reduce the volume. And the hot comb is set to on medium heat and not high heat. And also you don't want to leave the comb on one spot for too long. You just want to brush along. Don't leave it for too long, otherwise it will melt the braiding hair. So you just want to gradually brush the hair through. Do not leave the hot comb on the spot for too long. Okay, just keep it moving. So for the side braids, I'm going ahead to arrange the hairs I crocheted on the braid, and I'm going to put them into a ponytail before going ahead to brush it through. So after that, I just use my hand to detangle the base of the braid, as you can see right there. And now I'm going in with a comb to brush it through. You want to be careful when doing this. You don't want to go straight into the hair. You want to angle the comb a little bit. And you also want to use a wide tooth comb, just like the one I'm using in this video. Okay, so it's been 4 days. I wasn't able to film the final result after I was done doing the hairstyle. I was busy with stuff and I wasn't able to film it. So this is 4 days later. And pay attention to the way I'm angling the comb when brushing the hair through. So you only want to use a white tooth comb. You don't want to use a regular hairbrush. That will just pull out the hairs you crocheted on the braid. All right guys, so this is it right here. This is the final result. Look at that, beautiful. As always, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button if you are new to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video.